If you want to add a widget to the home screen on a Motorola smartphone, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to go into this editing mode, and then we're gonna choose widgets here at the bottom. Now you should be able to find all apps that have widgets. Of course, you can only see apps that you have installed on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like this weather app over here, and as you can see we have a bunch of different widgets that we can use. To add a widget, just press and hold your finger on the widget and then decide where the widget should be placed. In some cases you can also find some additional options that you might want to use to, for example, adjust the style of a widget or something like that. Let me actually use a different widget as an example. Maybe we're gonna choose this digital well-being, and there we go. As you can see, this is how it works. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.